Yeah, hi. Happy evening to all of you. I'm your N. Dharmender, an Indian. I'm here to help you out with an important topic in this particular video. If you look into many people across the country, whether it is educated, employed, unemployed, or the people with a lot of experience, they have one problem in common. Especially, it's a problem. It is not a problem, basically, it's a challenge. It is applicable not only to India, it is applicable to many of the underdeveloped and developing countries. Can you guess what the topic is? Yes, you're right. I'll be talking something about career planning. Career planning, do you feel it is important? Many a times, many of us, including me, we complete a course and after that we look for employment, we continue, we may be happy, we may not be happy, but even then we continue our life with a lot of happiness and disappointment. So, can we come out of these kind of disappointments? Yes, it is possible. In this particular video, especially for the youngsters, unemployed youth, and also underemployed, and also the employee who are not happy with their life, this particular video, I'll be talking about the Panch Sutra. Yeah, principle number one. Number one, if you want to have happy life, friends, career is it a part of life or life is a part of career? Yes, career is just a part of life. Life is very important. And all of us, we want happy and healthier life. When I say happiness, it talks about many things. So career is just a part of happy life. In this context, tip number one. The first important tip is you need to have introspection. In the first point, you need to understand who you are, what kind of attitude you have, and what kind of abilities you have. What is your efficiency? What are your competences? And once you get a complete picture of yourself, I think you have laid the first foundation, which is very, very important for your career planning, my dear friends. Step number two. Now, look around. Decide what you want. You need not decide as per the interest and the social happening around you. If many of your friends are taking a particular course, you check, are you really interested? What is it you want? Because you know what you are. Now you decide what you want in your life. What kind of happiness? How much amount of money? What kind of life you want? How you want to live? Depending upon that, I think you can come to a conclusion. What is it you want in your life? If you are crystal clear with what you want, I think that will help you. The second and the most important step for career planning. And once you have done step number one, step number two, proceed to step number three. Now, once you have decided what do you want, now you define what is the career you want. In that career, you understand what is the amount of work expected. Suppose you want to become a pilot, you need to have education qualification, and in addition to that, you need to have technical expertise in moving the pilot. And sometimes you also need to communicate with the people, but rather than communication, you need to have a greater amount of experience in the technical domain and the decision making when the flight is in the air. So that is called the world of work. In every opportunity, in every career, there are different dimensions, different skills and competences required. Try to understand in the step number three. Then number four, depending upon your interest, depending upon what kind of life you want, depending upon what career you want, you decide what kind of institution you want to pursue your education. In English, there is a quotation, begin with the end in the mind. After deciding your career, depending upon all the 3 points, whatever we said, you choose your schooling, high schooling, intermediate, graduation, and proceed forward. Then all of them will go in a sequence. Then point number 5, prepare your action plan. Action plan in the sense, now current you are in 2020 for example, you want to become an IAS officer, you are in 10th grade. Now by the time you complete your intermediate, what is it you want to achieve? How you want to proceed for your graduation? How you want to prepare for IAS or IPS or IFS, whatever it is. Then how you want to prepare for your examination, interview, and then proceed forward. Year by year, you decide your targets. This year I want to achieve this. So with this, when you have clearly written a roadmap with all the 5 steps, I think your career planning is almost all done. Of course, there are different kinds of assessment, psychometric assessment, individual counseling, and we are coming out with a simple and effective model for all the children of high school, intermediate, graduation, employed, underemployed, and further details will be sent soon. I hope all the 5 points which we discussed will be absolutely of greater help to you. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your life along with your career. Thank you very much. This is your Dharmendra. Thank you. Good luck. Jai Hind.